Go, Mommy!
Go, Mommy, go!
Oh!
I'll be the first St. Bernard.
Woo!
Don't go till I'm down!
Alright, here comes the St. Bernard! Alright, Zoe, go, St. Bernard! Here comes the second St. Bernard! That St. Bernard needs help.
Okay. Is that really the wisest way to go down?
Maybe not. It's my joust.
Daddy, not in front of your face.
Kelly, no! I'm not going until Daddy gets to the left. Oh no, Dad's dead.
That's what Philip did. Yay! Alright. Okay, do you want me to push you, Zoe?
No, I'll do it. Ready?
Don't take snow from there! No! Yeah! From the grassy area. No! From by the trees. Yeah! Okay, go, Zoe. Your turn. Yeah!
Good job. Excellent. Look at him go. Whoa. You made enough. Beat the world record.
Come on, Daddy!
It'll go that way, Mom. Move out of the way. It's moving that way. It's going to. It's going to. I told you it's
Watch
going
out.
to.
Daddy! How do you feel, Daddy?
I feel good.
That's fun. You want to do that again one last time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Holy smokes!
Whoa! You broke Philip's world record. How do you feel, Mommy?
Oh, I'm feeling better now.
I'm slipping off the sled! Alright, is it time for chocolate?
Yes, I think so.
Woo! Zoe! Wow, you came right to me. I think I have a honing mechanism. You are awesome. Woo! Daddy!
That was fun.
Aren't you glad you built the embankment?
I am. Oh, that's snow.